Hello, my dear students and the rest of the learners. Welcome to part 22 of a 7-part series of tutorials in computer structured programming in C and Pascal. This is section 1 of 13 in the topic data structures. My name is MemJM, or you can simply call me EMELISWAP. In this tutorial, I'm going to look at the meaning of data structures and types of data structures. Let's commence by looking at the meaning of data structures. One of the key elements in software design is to determine which data structures are most appropriate for the problem at hand. Data structures determine how information is stored and exchanged and have a significant effect on the overall cohesiveness, clarity, and efficiency of the program. Data structures are created from two words, data and structure. This means that we have to store data in the form of a structure in the main memory. Therefore, a data structure is a logical model of a particular organization of data. In order to represent and store data in main memory and or secondary memory, we need an appropriate model. The different models used to organize data in the main memory are collectively referred to as data structures, whereas the different models used to organize data in a secondary memory are collectively referred to as file structures. The choice of a data structure depends on the following consideration. Number one, it must be able to represent the inherent relationship of the data in the real world. Secondly, it must be simple enough so that it can be processed effectively as and when necessary. The study of data structure includes logical description of the data structure, the implementation of the data structure, the quantitative analysis of the data structure. This analysis includes determining the amount of memory needed to store the data structure and the time required to process it. The common operations on data structures include, number one is traversal. This is accessing each element exactly once in order to process it. This operation is called visiting the element. Number two is searching. This is finding the location of a given element within the structure. Number three is insertion. This is adding a new element to the structure. Number four is deletion. This is removing an existing element from the structure. Number five is sorting. This is arranging the elements in some logical order. This logical order may either be in ascending or descending order in the case of numeric key. In the case of alphanumeric key, it can be dictionary order. Number six is merging. This is combining the elements of two similar stored structures into a single structure. Let's now look at the types of data structures that we use in programming languages and more so in structured programming. Data structures are divided into two categories. These are nonlinear data structure and linear data structure. What is linear data structure? The elements of a linear structure form what we call a sequence, that is, a linear list. Examples of linear data structures are strings, arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues. They include arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, and strings. What about nonlinear data structure? The elements of a nonlinear data structure do not form a sequence. Examples of nonlinear data structures are graphs, trees. Those are the two main examples of nonlinear data structures. Generally, the main types of data structures that we use in programming include strings, lists or enumerated lists, arrays, records, also called structs in C, pointers, linked lists, queues, stacks, trees, and graphs. And with that, my dear students and the rest of the learners, we have come to the end of section 1 in this topic. You can now continue to section 2 of 13 in this topic so that you can commence learning the various data structures and how we code them in structured programming, that is in C and Pascal. Congratulations for learning section 1 of 13 in the topic data structures. You can also access sections 2 to 13 of this topic, other topics in the computer structured programming unit, as well as other computer or ICT videos by clicking or tapping on EMELISWAP ICT YouTube channel below this video. You can also visit EMELISWAP Life Skills YouTube channel for free life skills, motivational, and inspirational resources. To subscribe to the channel, tap on subscribe button below this video in YouTube if it's not currently reading as subscribed. For any further correspondence, kindly write it to us through the email emeliswap@gmail.com. Thank you very much for listening to me, and let's meet in the next part in this series so that we can commence on learning the specific data structures and how we code them in C and Pascal. God bless.